Hello, this is Carlos Almeida from SPK and Associates. This video will give a brief overview of SPK's Integrity SilkTest integration. SilkTest is an established software test harness available from Borland. It is very popular for testing application and website GUIs. Integrity is PTC's ALM platform solution, consisting of requirements management, defect tracking, test management, and configuration management capabilities. Our customers asked SPK to develop a way to connect Integrity's test management component with the Open Agent or Classic version of SilkTest. On the right, you see an example of a SilkTest Classic session. Our customers wanted to be able to continue to author and reuse their existing test scripts within SilkTest. On the left, you see a document view from Integrity containing test cases. These test cases are most often traced requirements and specifications, allowing for closed-loop verification and validation as needed in regulated industries. SPK's integration enables users to map Integrity tests directly to Silk test scripts. It's as simple as just providing a name and the path of the target test to the Integrity test case node. After that, execution is seamless. You simply create a test session within Integrity. You then load it up with whatever test documents or individual test cases you would like to run. It's okay to mix and match manual test cases with SilkTest cases. Then you select which test sessions or multiple test sessions you would like to run. Set them to the in testing state and then press the SilkTest Custom button located up on the Integrity toolbar. The Silk tests are launched automatically and the pass-fail verdicts are recorded and updated directly inside the Integrity test session. Let's see the integration in action. I will open up a test protocol document and look at the item presentation template and then move over to the SilkTest tab. The user defines the location for the SilkTest for test files here. This is where the scripts are. And here the user has the option to load the SilkTest project file. Next we'll look at the protocol document itself. I open this up. We then change our column context to SilkTest. We can see here that for each individual test there is a particular SilkTest file, and we also have the option to toggle on or off. This is great, especially if you're working on a test and it's not ready to be executed, so you have that capability. Now we'll close this and look at a test session. We open a test session. We see here that we have a couple of test protocol documents already assigned to this test session. I could add additional test protocols or individual test cases if I desired. We are ready for execution, so we'll close this. And before we do that, let's open up the test result editor. Notice that there are no verdicts on this particular test session yet. So we will slide this over so we can have both of them in our view. And now I'm going to select this particular test session and I'm going to click on the SilkTest button and watch it work. We already have our first verdict. The second one will show up here. And so on. I'll wait for it to complete. This test is currently displaying to this particular laptop, but if you're running it remotely, you could set it to display on a different machine. One more test to go. And we're done.